guys, how's it going? Just making a video because I'm a bit bored and it's bonfire night. Speaking of bonfire night, do you like fireworks going off? Pow pow, pew, that sort of thing. If you do, why? It's annoying personally for me. But yeah, practically ranting on about this, but that's how I feel. Apart from that, today's been an alright kind of day. I haven't been out, but yeah, it's been alright, I suppose. How's it been for you? Comment below, or if you like this video, like it, or if you don't like it. It's up to you. But I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. So yeah, apart from that, I'm good.